Hello everyone, this is Nano from MQL EA Trading, and today we're going to have a look at a trading journal called Forexbook. Forexbook keeps track of everything Forex trading, and it works on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. So it's pretty interesting because it keeps live tabs of all your trading. And it's one of the best ones that I've found. It does things like automated trading journals, create strategies, multiple accounts, and it also imports all your history. The way it works is you basically download an EA, an expert advisor, drag it into one of the charts, and that's it. It just keeps track of everything from there on alive. And I'm going to show you how it all works. As far as pricing goes, the pricing, you get the free plan and then you get the full access plan. Now, on the free plan, you can have up to one trading account. The history is limited to 14 days, and you miss out on a few other things. Now, if you get the full access, it's actually, if you get it yearly, you get a big discount. It works out to just $12 per month. And it's got everything. It's unlimited trading accounts, unlimited strategies, unlimited tags. You get access to all the reports, the open trades, and the image captures and the automatic strategy assignments. So I basically got the 7-day trial. I was sold on it, and I just subscribed annually. It ended up costing me around $144 a year. And so let's see how it looks like. So these are my trading accounts. So I've got several, as you can see. I've got a whole bunch here. I've got about 15 of them. But let's just look at one of them, which is the Black. I'm using Black Dragon as an expert advisor. It's running on IC Markets as a broker. It's got a balance of $1,700. It shows the equity, the margin used, margins free, and the open profit and loss. And you can see these things work in real time. You can see that whenever there's a chart movement, you can see it moves automatically. So that's pretty cool because you can actually monitor it live. Over here, it just shows you the trading and how much it's done for the week and last week. So obviously this hasn't done anything here for returns or trades the last couple of days. But on Monday, it made a profit of $3.74. It made 4 trades, 4 wins, and then the gains. It also shows you overall stats over here. It's pretty, I like this interface because it's very clean. It's very simple. It's not too complicated. Over here, you can see what it's done. The overall growth, just over about 6% in the last 30 days. I actually only started this on the 8th of March. So 8th of March to April 1st, it's made roughly around 8.36%, which is not too bad. The win rate being 73.1%. Over here, that's the main dashboard. You can see this numbers are all moving in real time, so you can see what's happening there. So when you go into trades closed, this shows all the trades that it's closed, the history, and then you can just see in one glance what it's made, the best trade, the worst trade, the average profit, and so forth. These are the trades that are currently open, and it shows exactly what the symbols used, the profit it's on at the moment. So it just gives you a rough idea of all the open trades. So in this way, I don't have to go into my VPS, go back into my charts, have a look at what's happening. I can see it all in the trading journal because it's all in real time. And that's what's so impressive about this. So for me, in this quick glance, I can see if there's something really wrong. I can go straight into the to the main charts in my VPS and have a look and see what's going on. Over here you get your trading journal. You can create one, you can add one, and then you can do things like that here. And then over here you can have all your reports, and that's pretty impressive of what you can do over here. So over here you can just go back to all time. You can go in and change everything very easily, or do a custom range. Then you've got the calendar. This shows you the profit calendar. So you go into March, it shows you how much you've made. 3 trades. Here I've lost $8. These are the money making days. So you can see on the 26th I made $71. So it's pretty interesting. You can see it all in a calendar way. That's the reports. And then over here you get the economic news, all the stuff that's going to be happening in the future and what's happening. So here you can see in an hour you got 3-month bill auction that's happening in the Japanese yen, in the euro, the French budget balances, quite a lot of things happening today and the next few days as well. And then it shows you a whole bunch of things that's coming up. So it's pretty interesting. So you can see what's gonna happen in the news, and you can see how it's going to affect all your trades and so forth. Here you can create trading strategies. You can click on new strategies and create all that stuff over here, which I actually don't use currently. And then over here, this is where your MetaTrader settings are. You can see how you can customize everything. You can just actually test the connection. You can see that it's working and it's a success and so forth. Then under, so how do you set these things up? So what you do is you go into the add accounts. Over here you set up the account, and then you essentially download either the MetaTrader 4 if you're trading on that, or the MetaTrader 5 if you're trading on that. So you download this, and then what you'll do is you'll drag this in to your chart in your VPS or in your MetaTrader software, wherever you're using it, whether at home or a VPS. Over here you get your API token. What you do is you just click on copy. So when you drag the EA, it'll ask you for the settings, and in the settings you will essentially put this API token in. As soon as you put the API token in and you click OK, it will come up over here automatically, and then you can just go in here and you just edit. You can change this name to whatever you want, and that's pretty much how it works. So it's pretty neat. And then you can even hide the account. So essentially it's a very, very simple thing to use, and there's no complications. I find it really, really easy. Now I've used other ones before. I've used TradeWiz. I've used TradeZeller. TradeZeller is pretty cool, but it's way, way too expensive. I also use Edgewonk, and that one is also pretty good. I will do a review of that in a bit. And then the other things, I'm also testing a couple of others as well. So pretty much that's it. I just wanted to show you what it is, and then you can just go between accounts very easily. You can just go, if you have another account, you can just go click on it. It's pretty fast, it's pretty quick, and it shows everything really, really clear. So other than that, there's not much else to speak about this. I guess there's settings over here. You can go in and change your settings. Yeah, take that back. It's actually $136 a year instead of $148. So it's a little less than $12 a month. So I think it's pretty worth it. You can give it a shot. Get the free account, go on the trial. You get a 7-day free trial anyway. If you don't like it, you can just cancel it off. It's basically a subscription based. If you go on the yearly plan, it'll bill you every year. So that's pretty much it for Forexbook. I suggest you give it a shot, give it a try. It's not something many people have heard about. I mean, there's so many trading journals out there. So if you do Google searches, you're not going to find this on the top of the Google search engines. It's something, I think it's a little gem that I've found, that I find it. It's the only one that I've found that can actually get your trade information in real time. The other ones, I've tried TradeWiz before, and trust me, I've used their auto MetaTrader 4, and it's really complicated to use. They don't import the trades. There's a lot of things that it doesn't do, but it gives you a lot more. There's a lot more jazz to it. It's got a lot of reports and all that stuff. In any case, I'll be reviewing the other trading journals in a bit. Stay tuned, and thanks for tuning in.